opening ceremony, many people looked on as the first train departed. I was here in Nagasaki all day today, and I was able to appreciate the expectations and the issues that the shortest Shinkansen will face.
This young man says he's been looking forward to the opening for the past 2 years. This man says people started lining up late last night and that he'd obtained numbered tickets for non-reserved seats. This boy says this is the opening day and he definitely wanted to be able to get on. He says he's so excited.
西九州新幹線かもめ2号出発です。
This girl says she wants to ride on the train as it's so amazing. This young woman says, go, go, go! The reporter says the new Shinkansen line has opened. He says local residents are excited and welcoming. The reporter says he is getting on the Shinkansen train Kamome for the first time. He says it's spacious. He says the seat is soft and it has a headrest. The armrest has wood grain. It takes a little over 20 minutes to reach Nagasaki, so it's quick. He says he wants to ride for a bit longer. Actress Matsui Rena is a railroad fan. She says that the train carriage includes the color red, which is the corporate color of JR Kyushu, and that it looks great. She says it's also nice to see the logo, the emblem, and the letters of the train named Kamome here and there. She says children who like railroads will have fun looking at these logos. Express trains coming from the direction of Hakata connect to the Shinkansen line at Takeo Onsen Station in Saga Prefecture. A reporter says it's almost 5 o'clock, but the Shinkansen train scheduled to depart at 4:58 for Nagasaki has yet to leave. He says the bullet train is still waiting the arrival of the express service from Hakata. The Shinkansen train faced a delay on the first day of operation. The Shinkansen service started nearly 50 years after it was first planned, but the 66-kilometer route is only part of the planned line. There are currently no bullet train services between Hakata and Takeo Onsen. The central government and Saga Prefecture are in talks over a future Shinkansen route between Takeo Onsen and Hakata, but the prefecture is opposing the current plan due to costs and a possible decline in the convenience of local lines. The Saga governor had this to say before the opening of the Shinkansen line. He says the opening has come at a time when people have mixed feelings. He says the project to extend the Shinkansen line should be discussed after considering how Kyushu as a whole is predicted to change in various ways. Some passengers are feeling the inconvenience of the opening of the Shinkansen line. The operation of the express train Kamome linking Nagasaki and Hakata ended yesterday. It had made 45 stops per day at Hizen Kashima station. Instead, a new express train, Kasasagi, began operating between Hizenkashima and Hakata. But express services make only 14 departures and arrivals at Hizenkashima. That's 1/3 the amount seen at the time of Kamome. This person says she's sad to learn about the decline. She says she wants at least one express service per hour. The head of a local chamber of commerce says corporate activity will suffer as a result. The start of Japan's shortest Shinkansen line with not so good connections has generated both hopes and concerns.
So, Nakamitsu-san, we saw that you were enjoying yourself. Yes. So here in Nagasaki, I heard many people say, finally, this Shinkansen has opened. I spoke to restaurant proprietors here in the local community, and they said that because of COVID, tourists had yet to return. They hope that more people will now be willing to visit on this Shinkansen line. But of course, many people also said they wanted the Shinkansen to go all the way through to Hakata. I saw that you actually experienced this train. It must have been a very quick ride. Indeed. I really wish that I was on board for a while longer because it was only 20 minutes, so it was very quick. It was a very comfortable interior and quite spacious as well. Along the Shinkansen route, this train will take you to unique vistas and dining and also hot springs. Hopefully this Shinkansen will not just be about the opening hype. For this community, the